Hey guys, this is the Steel Supplement $10 sample unboxing. Saw an advertisement on YouTube and they got me to bite. So let's check it out. This was 10 bucks. I thought it was pretty reasonable. Comes with see what we got. Oh wow, this actually came with a lot more supplements than I ordered. Came with Steel, Rested AF, Steel NO7, Steel Pre, Steel Shredded, Veg Pro Peanut Butter, vegan protein. How many carbs does this have in it? 2 grams? Well, I'm going to be trying that right now. Yeah. And that. This is way more than what was said that you were going to get. You said you were only going to get 4 samples. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 samples in addition to this and this t-shirt here. So I'm going to go ahead and recommend this right now before I've even tried the products, because the shirt alone would be good for lifting, and this as well. Probably get one for my son. Pretty good deal. I would recommend it. I'll try them out and see how they work. Thanks for watching.